Hey besties, welcome back to another video. If you're new, I'm Brian. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to follow me on all my socials. So in today's video is my 8 to 10 year HRT update. I will tell you guys all about my journey, things that I've experienced, changes in my body, and so without me wasting any of your time, let's get straight into today's video. So before I actually start today's video, guys, I want to give you guys a background about myself for those that actually don't know who I am and they just came across this video. So I was born male and I transitioned into a female, so legally I'm a female, have documents to prove that, and I even have a video that actually explains how I actually changed my gender and documents and all those stuff. So the medication that I'm on right now is currently the pills, which is the estrogen or estrogen 1 milligram. That is female hormones that helps me to grow breast and stuff, make me feminine. And I'm also on the spiral blockers, which are blocking my male hormones. I have a video for reference for those that actually wants to know how to start their hormones and how to get hormones for free, and I have a video for that on my channel for you guys. On that video I'll be explaining much details on how things are or how to actually get hormones for free, especially in South Africa. So yeah, when it comes to my body, the actual changes that I've actually seen in my body, firstly, I was slender in most of my life. I've been wearing size 28, which is an extra small, and I moved from a size 28 to a size 32, and now I'm a size 34 in the journey of trying to lose a bit of weight. I'm not really happy with how my weight is right now because I've gained weight tremendously, and I kind of really don't like that right now. I used to work out a lot just so I don't gain weight on my tummy, but I think 2 years ago I stopped working out and I've gained a lot of weight that I actually don't like and I actually don't need, and I might head to a size 36, but that's not gonna happen. I rebuke that negative energy. I'm gonna go back to working out. I love my body right now, you guys. For my hormone journey, I used to gain weight in all the right places, as you guys can actually see from the before and after how I actually looked. But I was born actually feminine, so hormones basically enhanced my femininity. And when it comes to breast growth, you guys will actually see how my breast was before the hormones that were kind of very dangerous. You guys will actually see, and now that I'm on hormones that are right for my body, you guys will actually see how the growth is currently. This is how hormones has been treating me, you guys. On the first year on me being on hormones, I didn't see much growth. The only thing that started growing was breast tissue. I could feel that there's a bit of like a knot on my chest, and once I was on hormones and my body was starting to get used to the hormones, I could see breasts grow. When I'm actually wearing a top, as you guys can actually see, there's a little bit of volume on this dress that I'm actually wearing. I'm not wearing a bra, so you might see my nipples peeking through this dress. And when it comes to beard hair or hair growth on my body, I'm someone that always had hairy legs, so I shave probably once or twice a year. I don't like shaving because sometimes I do hurt myself. I don't really see the need of shaving my legs and stuff. And when it comes to a beard growth around your mouth, I think it depends on how your testosterone is, you guys. If it's very strong, sometimes you can experience beard growth. I haven't experienced much of growth. The only thing I can just see is just a little bit of mustache around my 5 o'clock shadows, and just small here and there that I can manage by plucking. But when it comes to that step, it left a little bit of marks around my neck. You guys probably won't see it because of the makeup. So another thing that I've actually experienced in my 8 to 10 year of being on hormones is my emotions or mood has been up and down, but I know how to actually control how I feel and how to balance my mood swings and stuff. I'm not someone that's actually moody or anything like that, but the only thing that I really still struggle with, you guys, me being on hormones right now is making me more emotional. I'm an emotional person, you guys, so now me being on hormones, I became more softer, so I cry a lot sometimes. Like small things here makes me cry, especially when I'm angry. And therapy also help regarding my emotions, my mood, so I don't allow each and everything to just tick me off. I always make sure that I address it. So that's how I've been controlling my emotions along this year. So even my therapist mentioned that I have this calming aura around me. I'm more calmer now. I've dealt with all my emotions, traumas, and everything like that. Sometimes there are those things that sometimes really do tick me off. I don't let them control my life and how I am as a person. And when it comes to cravings, before I was on hormones, you guys, I was strictly a healthy girl. For the past I think 2 if not 3 years, I was still healthy because I started eating healthy more. And in 2023 I started eating a lot of junk food, which made me gain weight. Cravings now is better than how it was before when I was in my healthy journey. I used to crave a lot of junk food. Sometimes I'll crave chocolates. I even had a chat with my psychologist regarding my cravings because hormones and stuff, and then she told me that maybe probably my body needs something from that chocolate that I'll be craving, so I need to allow my body to have that sweet that it wants. And another thing that I actually don't want is not to gain weight. So another thing that I've actually experienced while on hormones is I am someone who is not really into sex. I was someone who was not interested in a lot of like sexual situations before hormones. So now my sex drive has become way lower now on hormones, you guys. So I'm not one of those girls whose sex drive has increased, but I don't really engage in any sexual situations. I've been celibate for probably 19 months now, and I'm not thinking about even having that kind of situation right now. So my low sex drive has helped me to avoid a lot of like bad situations. So right now to myself, I don't need to partake in any intimate situations that will involve me having to give my body to someone else. So right now I'm working with God, leading the way. So when I do take the injectable hormones, you guys, I'll update you guys on that, on how things have been going and how my sex drive is on the injectable hormones, you guys. And yeah, that's everything that I've actually experienced being on HRT for 8 to 10 years, you guys. So when it comes to my dating life, you guys, it's non-existing. I even made a video about that, you guys, that you guys should also watch, and how is dating as a transgender female. So yeah, I hope you guys actually enjoyed today's video, you guys, and I hope I said everything that I wanted to say, because I've been reading my notes, trying to make sure that I've said everything that I want to say on today's video, you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe down below and comment down below and tell me what you guys thought of this video, if you guys want more trans related videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.